Okay, here we go. Back entrance room. Washer dryer hookups. The entrance into the house. All our flooring. There's Bradley. Entrance down the basement. Built the wall there. Kitchen, we got all the drywall up, all the ceilings in, all the lights in. We got the first coat of primer in. That one's done. This is the dining room. Ceilings up, lights up, drywall up, mudded. We're going to put some primer on these walls tomorrow. Bradley's front playroom. Lights up, ceilings up. Julie painted her door black, so she's happy there. Walls are tinted with the primer. Ready to slam some floors down on that. Closet room, that's all bumped out. We got all the ceiling done in there. Too. We got a lot of junk in there, but we did like the ceiling and the soffit too. Living room. Got all the lights in, wired smoke detectors, all the drywall up, mudded, it's getting sanded. We're ready to put some primer on these walls tomorrow. Bedroom, we got the doors up, ceilings up, lights up, smoke detectors up. Got our cabinets in, Julie stained them. We just gotta do some mudding in here. We're gonna knock that out tomorrow. And then we got the closet room here, ceiling up, lights up. Just gotta do a little bit of mudding in here and sanding. There's our little contractor. Come on, bud. Got the sander, awesome, kills it. So we are getting there with our house finally. And then we got the bathroom here. Did the same ceilings, great for moisture resistance. Got the lights up, dual lights there. And then we ran a vent fan, 8-inch vent fan, so it really sucks the steam out on a separate light right there. So fans all wired in, that's ready to go. Then we got our upstairs drywalls in up there. We got our light set, our soffit on the ceiling coming up the stairs. Upstairs, we got drywall up. First sand up. Closets built. Our little cubby for Julie's storage. We just got to do some sanding and a little bit of flooring in there. And then we built this little cubby area for Bradley. We're going to put some flooring in. Bradley, quiet. So that's his little door entrance here. And then we got a second door entrance here for him. We got lights in there. Lights and stuff so he can get in this little cubby down there. Just to hide and play games. This is Julie's storage. We got all the drywall up down in here. We're going to put some flooring in there. Got lights in there. Light. So we got all this in. Skylights all drywalled in. So he's got a big room here. We did the soffit on only half of the ceiling, but pretty big room for one little guy. So we are getting there. I'm shooting for a May 1st deadline, and we're running hard. We got me and 2 other guys that are knocking it out, so we should be good. Julie's here a little bit too to help sanding and stuff like that. So we'll give you guys the update on the 1st and see where we're at. Go.